Hey everyone, so today I'm going to guide you through how to send money to friends using InfinitePay.io. Whether it's splitting bills or sending a gift, InfinitePay.io makes peer-to-peer payments easy and secure. So let's get started. First, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the payments or send money section. This is where you can initiate money transfers to your friends. Enter the recipient's information such as their email address or phone number. You can also choose from your list of contacts if they have already saved. Enter the amount you want to send and any optional message or note to accompany the payment. Double check everything for accuracy. Select the payment method you want to use, whether it's your linked bank account or credit card. Review the payment details one last time. When you're ready, select send or pay to initiate that transaction. Depending on the security settings, you may need to verify that transaction. Follow the prompts to confirm, and there you have it. You have successfully sent money to your friend using InfinitePay.io. Whether it's for the splitting bills or sending a gift, InfinitePay.io makes it quick and convenient. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.